The time is 7:46. It's basically the middle of spring. You know what that means. It is going to be warm and humid. That is how it will feel today and tomorrow, even over the next week. No changes. Warm and humid. That's how we'll feel every day. Temperatures right now already in the 70s across the area, so we didn't really cool off much this morning. Some upper 60s for parts of South Mississippi, but already 73 degrees right now in New Orleans and lower 70s basically everywhere you look. This afternoon we get back to the middle 80s, so it will be kind of hot, a little more muggy than maybe we'd like it to be, but it's that time of the year and it will stay humid today and tomorrow. Also, it will be windy. Kind of yesterday it was a little breezy, winds picking up even more so today coming from the southeast, so warm and windy today, mild and humid this evening with temperatures in the 70s later tonight. Actually, there is a wind advisory that will go into effect at 9 o'clock this morning, stays with us until 9 o'clock tonight. Because of our wind gusts this afternoon, make it up to and above 30 miles per hour at times. So it is going to be breezy with our sustained winds from the southeast around 15 to 20 miles per hour. And since those winds are coming from the southeast, they're moving onshore, we could see some minor coastal flooding for our southward and eastward facing shorelines along Lake Pontchartrain, Lake Borgne, and for South Mississippi during the high tide cycles this entire weekend. Here's a look at those wind gusts today. Could get above 30 miles per hour, especially along the coastline. And then tomorrow, much of the same. Very breezy wind gusts near and above 30 miles per hour on Sunday afternoon. So that's what we have this weekend. Now, looking back to yesterday, there was that huge severe weather outbreak across the central and southern plains. Yesterday, 170 total storm reports across the center part of the country. That includes tornado reports, hail, and high wind. 78 tornadoes were reported yesterday because of this low pressure system that is pushing off to the northeast to the Great Lakes region. But there is one right behind it that's basically going to follow right in its footsteps and continue to strengthen as it moves northeast towards the Great Lakes over the next couple of days. That continues the severe weather threat across the central plains today and tomorrow. As that trough shifts eastward, it will weaken as it gets closer to our area, but as that pushes in closer to us Monday and Tuesday, our rain chances go up early in the week. So Monday, Tuesday is our best chance to see scattered showers and storms. As for today, we stay dry. We'll see a blend of sun and clouds. Tomorrow, much of the same, partly cloudy skies, maybe a stray shower tomorrow, but really not expecting much tomorrow. It's not until Monday, probably late morning, we'll start to see some showers and storms moving in across the area, and that looks to continue into the afternoon hours and through the early evening. But it's going to be much weaker, that system, as it moves through our area. But Monday, make sure you grab the rain gear. We'll have some showers and storms Monday and probably again Tuesday. And as that moves through on Monday, there can be some isolated downpours. We'll be watching for maybe a ½ inch to 1 inch of rain. Isolated street flooding is certainly possible, not a guarantee, but any severe weather associated with this is going to kind of decrease as that system moves eastward, but there is a low chance for a strong storm on Monday. Here's your 7-day. We stay warm and humid through the next week with our rain chances highest Monday, Tuesday.